main content! In this video, we're gonna do some tuning to the door sills of the car. The door sills? Yes, the door sills! We're gonna add some isolation and some more M performance parts. And as we all know, the more M performance parts, the better. Alright, that's enough talking! Let's get into it!
Alright, so these bad boys are door seals that reduce cabin noise, especially coming from the front tires. They're fitted in the gap between the front fender and the door frame. These are original BMW parts, but they're only fitted on BMW 2 Series. I'm not sure why these aren't installed from factory on the M2. Let me show you where these styrofoam-like seals are fitted. So here's a look at the gap between the front fender and the door frame. And here's a closer look. That's the gap we're gonna fill.
That's what she said.
So through these gaps, a lot of front tire noise and wind noise is able to enter the cabin. Putting seals there would apparently reduce cabin noise. So this notch should cover this bolt, and this notch at the bottom should cover this bolt. So the goal is to have this seam fit over the sharp inner edge of the fender. I'll show you what I mean later. Here's a time lapse of me installing it. I only used my hands. Alright, so here we have it. It's really a tight squeeze, but I managed to get it done in around 10 minutes per side. So as you can see, the seal completely fills the gap between the door frame and the fender. And this is what I mean with the seam covering the sharp inner edge of the fender. So to test this out, I downloaded an app which is probably not very accurate, set up my mic like this, turned off the radio and aircon, and these were the results. So before installing the seals, I made a recording driving 50 kph in automatic. As you can see, the decibels hover around 69. Then, after installing, same conditions, the decibels hover around 66. Again, most likely not very accurate, but interesting nonetheless. Alright, so now we're going to install these bad boys. These are the M Performance door sills with carbon fiber in them, and I prefer the look of these over the original ones. Plus, it's another thing to add to the long list of M Performance parts my car has. But first we're going to remove the original ones. They look good, but I just think the carbon fiber ones look better. So to easily remove the original ones, I bought this set of plastic tools. With one of these tools you can get under the door sills to pop out the tabs holding the sills down. So simply wedge your tool under the door sill and pop out the 6 tabs. Once removed, it's a good time to give it a clean underneath. So although the kit comes with new tabs, I simply decided to use the tabs of the original door sills. Once transferred over, it's simply a matter of popping the new door sills back in. It's really easy, just like Beamer code.
Alright, that was it again. I definitely hear a little less road noise in the cabin. It's a subtle but nice improvement. The M Performance door seals have at least added 20 horsepower. Crazy. And I really like the look of them. I'll put the part numbers in the description. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.